Today, we are creating a mosaic pixelated blur effect perfect for censoring your video or adding a cool digital look. Let's jump in. First, import your video into the timeline. Now, head over to the effects panel and search for mosaic. You'll see an effect called Mosaic Full. This applies a pixelated blur across the entire video. Simply drag and drop the effect onto your video clip. You'll instantly notice that the entire footage becomes pixelated. To adjust the effect, select the video and go to the right side editing panel. Under the effects tab, you'll find a percentage slider. Increase it to make the pixels larger or decrease it for a finer blur. And that's it. You've successfully created a mosaic pixelated effect in Filmora. This is great for hiding sensitive content, creating glitch style edits. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Filmora editing tips